Bringing out the choir now, which means we're going to have a special moment. This next song is from the emancipation of Mimi. It means a lot to me. It's a song that I wrote with Big Jim Wright, an incredibly talented musician. And wow. I hope you like it. It's got a message and it's important. So check it out. And it's called Fly Like a Bird.
Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning.
Trusted. Somehow I know that there's a place up above with no more hurt and struggling, free of all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high. Don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home. I'll leave you alone. I need you, Lord, I need you, Lord. Need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. With God's love, you'll survive. Please don't let the world break me tonight. I pray you come and take me home. Hey, Lord, I need you, Lord. Carry me higher, Lord, 'cause I need the strength of you to survive. Life can be oh so cold. Oh, carry me home. Oh, carry me home. I need you to come and carry me higher, Lord. Carry me higher, Lord. Yeah.